everybody, it is Capri and today we're going to be doing a perm rod set. All I did was put my hair into 4 braids overnight and I just took them down. They're kind of dry, so of course I'm going to add products to it just to moisten it so that it makes the curls hold better. So all I'm going to be doing is spritzing it with a little bit of water just to dampen it, but you don't want it to be soaking wet because it's going to take longer to dry. Then I'm going to be applying a leave-in by Shea Moisture. It is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to be applying the Maintain by Dollar Curl Club, their Curl Defining Cream, and some coconut oil. So yeah, just got a clip to separate my hair, and then these are the perm rods that I'm going to be using. I just realized that I hadn't done a perm rod set in like years, so I'm going to be using these and just going to be wrapping it around as if I were to be wand curling my hair. I'm going to go ahead and do the back of my hair, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I do the front. So yes, I'll be right back. So this is the final result of my perm rod set. The perm rod set that I use comes from the Annie brand. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. I'm not exactly sure on like what inches I got or whatever, but they're this like light peachy color. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. It's showing up a lot brighter than it is. It's actually like a light orangey peach color, so if you can find like the color, that's the one that I used. So yeah, you guys saw me use my blow dryer on cool to stretch my curls out. I wasn't really feeling the look of it being like super scrunched up and like short, so I went ahead and did that. You don't have to do that, but I just like this look a lot better. So let me go ahead and turn around and show you guys all my hair. And the side and the other side. So yes, I really love the way this came out, y'all. I'm trying to take a break from wigs and give you guys more natural hair videos. So if you guys have any suggestions, please pop them down below and I will definitely get that video out for you. like I said, it's been a minute since I've done any natural hair videos, so I'm definitely trying to get back to my roots and get back to natural hair on my channel. It's like extremely fluffy. So you know when your hair is fluffy, it ends up, it doesn't stay in the style as long as you would want it to. It's still cute for the time being, so let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure that you comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be updated on new videos wherever it's at, and I will see you lovely beautiful people in my next video.